whispers hope so tenderly. Every wave that finds the sand writes tomorrow with gentle hands. Roots grow deeper through the years, watered by our dreams and tears. Every sunrise brings a chance for every soul to rise and dance. Hold the faith and keep it near. Love is stronger than our fear. When compassion lights the way, night gives birth to brighter days. River of grace, carry us home through every valley. We're never alone. One heart beating, strong and free. Love is the song of our destiny. Lift every spirit, raise every voice. Walking together is our choice. Bassline rolling calm and deep, keeping every promise we keep. Of the waking with the dawn, calling every dream along. From the hills down to the bay, kindness leads the better way. Hand in hand we'll plant the seed, growing hope through every deed. Beat the Nyabinghi drum tonight, guide our footsteps toward the light. Echoes travel through the breeze, dancing softly with the trees. Not through power, not through pride, but with mercy as our guide. Every heartbeat knows the tune. Hope will blossom very soon. A spacious dub section unfolds with a deep melodic bass line. Classic one-drop drums, shimmering skank guitars washed in warm Tate apart, or in ardent blues tunes. In the space of one a lot trumpet and saxophone phrases. In the Nyabinghi big guy slap, breaking a rich, I'm the Caribbean sound stuff. River of grace, flow ever on, carry our dreams into the dawn. One foundation, one embrace. Hope is growing in every place. Raise the banner, beside your own turns this world into a home. When the wind begins to sing, hope is carried on its wings. Every smile can heal the pain, like the sunshine after rain. Hold on strong through every tide, keep compassion as your guide. Every dream begins to grow where the seeds of kindness flow. Love lights the way, night into day. Hand in hand, together we stand. One heartbeat, one song, with open hearts we all belong. Love keeps rising, strong and free, building tomorrow in harmony. Hear the rhythm of the shore, calling us forevermore. Bassline rolling steady and deep, promises we're bound to keep. Every neighbor, every friend shows us where the pathways bend. Lift each other when we fall, there's enough hope for us all. Blow the horns across the hills, every note the spirit fills. Nyabinghi drums resound, roots of peace in sacred ground. Not through anger, not through fear, but by lifting one another near. Every voice becomes a flame, lighting hearts in every name. A deep melodic bass line leads a spacious dub section as scanned. Guitars pulse through warm tape echo Abadargan swells. Analog horns answering call and response. And Lady Nyabinghi to aggression, deals in two and got the lifted return. Love lights the way, come what may. Hope will bloom, drive out the gloom. Raise your voice, make the choice. Peace will grow, let it show. One tomorrow, bright and true. The strength of many begins with you. Keep the fire burning bright, carry love into the night. From every island to every land, together we rise. Whoa, feel the rhythm, feel the heartbeat. From the islands to the world, let the music lead the way. Morning breaks with golden fire, every soul can climb higher. The ocean sings, the breeze replies. Freedom shines in every sunrise. Hands together, side by side, moving with the changing tide. Every smile becomes a spark, lighting up the deepest dark. Lift your voice into the sky, let no dream be left behind. When our hearts begin to sing, every hope can spread its wings. Move as one, praise. Hope will shine in every place. Bassline rolling through the streets. Every heartbeat finds the beat. Bulls are dancing in the air, sending joy everywhere. Children laugh beneath the trees. Songs are carried by the breeze. From the valleys to the shore, love keeps opening every door. Beat the drum with steady hands. Peace is built across the lands. Not with iron, not with pride, but with truth that lives inside. Every echo, every song shows us where we all belong. Together standing bold and free, writing our own destiny. The bass line takes center stage while the drums settle into a hypnotic one-drop groove. Skank guitars pulse through warm tape delay. Analog horns answering soulful phrases. Camel organ swells fill the space. A Nyabinghi percussion drives a spiritual crescendo before the full band returns. Move as one, day is done. Stars above, guide with love. Keep the flame, share the name. Hope survives in our lives. One heartbeat, strong and true. A brighter world begins with you. Let the music carry on. Let the spirit stay strong. From every island to every nation, one rhythm forever. Oh yeah, feel the breeze, feel the heartbeat. Let the fire awaken every soul. Oh yeah, morning breaks upon the sea, bringing new possibilities. Every wave carries a song, calling every heart along. Plant the seeds with faithful hands. Watch them bloom across the lands. Every smile can light the way, turning night into the day. Lift your spirit, stand up tall. There's enough hope for us all. When we move with one desire, love becomes the living fire. Fire in the rhythm, fire in the soul. Let the music lift us, make the broken whole. Raise the banner, share the light, keep believing through the night. step toward light. From the valleys to the hills, every hopeful spirit fills the air with songs of unity, growing one community. Beat the drums with steady hands. Peace begins where kindness stands. Echoes dance beneath the sky, like the birds that learn to fly. No surrender to despair. Lift another with your care. Every voice becomes a flame. Every heart can spark the change. Hypnotic, the passage centers on a deep and loud bass line. One drums, echoing skanky comes. Organ swells, and analog horn phrases drifting through warm tape delay. Layered Nyabinghi, percussion builds intensity before the full band return. River burning bright, guide our footsteps through the night. Hope is rising strong and free. Love will shape our destiny. Hand in hand, side by side, truth and mercy be our guide. Let the fire never fade. Let the music never end. From every island to every nation, one rhythm, one love for humanity. Oh yeah, hear the calling. Stand together. The fire still burns. When the morning meets the sky, lift your dreams and aim them high. Every step up on the road lightens every heavy load. Truth is stronger than the fear. Every heartbeat brings us near. Plant the seeds with open hands. Watch them bloom across the lands. Hold the faith through wind and rain. Hope will always rise again. Every voice can spark a flame. Every soul can shape the change. Rise with courage, stand as one. Keep believing till the work is done. Lift your voice, let it ring. Hope is the song that we all sing. Hand in hand, side by side, truth and love will be our guide. Hear the drums beneath your feet. Every heartbeat finds the beat. Arms are calling through the air, sending strength everywhere. the shore. Open every hopeful door. When compassion leads the way, peace grows stronger every day. No fear can silence honest hearts. Every ending brings new starts. The river flows, the mountains stand. Love will heal this weary land. Raise the banner, keep it high, like the eagle in the sky. Not through hatred, not through pride, but with justice as our guide. Oh. A spacious instrumental keeping by a deep rolling bass line and one drop drums echoing skank guitars. Ambanalot and swagers, and a lot of trumpet and trombone phrases. Warm tape delay and lay a Nyabinghi upon the shitty dedicated atmosphere before the full band returns. Rise with courage, never fall. Hope belongs to one and all. Build tomorrow, brick by brick. Love is stronger, steady and quick. One heartbeat, one embrace. Peace can flourish in every
interlude unfolds with a deep melodic bass line. Classic one-drop drums, shimmering skank guitar soaked in warm tape echo. Amangargan swells, analog horn improvisations, a layer Nyabinghi percussion. Peace will have fugitive and lay the tilt atmosphere.
Time will carry love far beyond today. Hope will light the path, showing us the way. One heartbeat, one embrace, on every lane, in light with light. Solid together, soaking strong and true. A brighter world begins with you. The rhythm keeps flowing, the spirit keeps growing. From every island to every shore, love will endure forevermore. Oh, the road is calling from every island to every nation. Rise together. A brand new sunrise lights the way, chasing every cloud away. Footsteps echo strong and clear. Every dream is drawing near. Through the valleys, over hills, hope is stronger than our fears. Every river meets the sea, flowing toward our destiny. Carry faith within your soul. Love will always make us whole. Lift your eyes beyond the night. Every God reveals new light. On the road to the rising horizon, hearts are beating as one. Hope is our foundation. Our journey has begun. Raise the banner high. Let compassion lead. Together we will flourish. Together we will succeed. Whoa. Whoa. Hear the bass line roll like thunder, holding every heart together. Of an ounce of brighter day, guiding every step we take. The drum remembers every prayer, calling justice everywhere. Hand in hand we build anew, with a faithful point of view. No wall can stop our hopeful tide. Truth and mercy walk beside. Not through anger, not through fear, but through love that draws us near. Every child deserves to see a future shaped by dignity. Every voice becomes a flame. Every soul can spot the change. A spacious instrumental passage feature a deep melodic bass line. Classic one-drop drums, echoing skank guitars, organ swells,
analog trumpet and saxophone in walzations, and Nyabinghi from Lishon, creating a glyph with kind of clear atmosphere before the full band returns. On the road to the rising horizon, hope will never fade. Every generation, feel what love has made. One heartbeat, one song, together forever, together strong. Raise your spirit, lift your eyes, a brighter tomorrow will surely rise. The drums keep calling, the bass keeps rolling, the light keeps growing, step by step, together we journey on. Oh yeah, stand firm, stand true. The light always finds its way. The wind may carry whispered light, but truth still shines beneath the skies. When the shadows cloud the day, faith will always find a way. Every river shapes the stone. Strength is built when hearts are grown. Step by step we hold the line, with a purpose that will shine. Hold your ground with peaceful grace. Every soul deserves its place. Lift your voice with honesty, building hope for all to see. Truth will stand like the mountains high. Hope will rise like the morning sky. Hand in hand we will carry on. Love and justice make us strong. One heartbeat, one refrain. Through the sunshine, through the rain. Hear the bass line roll so deep, keeping every promise we keep. Curves announce a brighter day, guiding every step we take. The drum remembers every prayer, calling hearts to love and care. From the shoreline to the hills, peace begins with simple wills. No fear can break a faithful soul. Kindness makes the broken spacious dub section unfolds with a deep rolling bass line. Hypnotic one drop drums, echoing sky guitars. All night and swings like a loud trumpet and saxophone in promiscuations. And lay and Nyabinghi it and constant, creating and imitate atmosphere before the full band returns. Truth will stand bright and clear. Love will drive away all fear. Hope will grow strong and free, together shaping our destiny. One tomorrow, side by side, with compassion as our guide. The drums keep speaking, the bass keeps breathing, the light keeps leading, standing true, stand in love, forever. The fire still burns through the longest night. The river keeps flowing towards the light. One heartbeat, one destiny. Stand together wild and free. Morning sun over island skies. Truth is shining in our eyes. Every mountain, every shore. We're stronger now than ever before. No chains can silence what we sing. Freedom grows with every spring. Hands together, voices rise. Hope is living, never dies. Lift your soul, don't lose your way. Love will guide and never lay. From the valleys to the sea, we're one human family. One heart rising, feel the flame. Different faces, one true name. Stand together side by side, with love and courage as our guide. Rise up higher, never fall. Hope has room enough for all. Through the storm we'll always stand. Peace is growing through the land. Drums are calling through the breeze, dancing underneath the trees. Every rhythm tells a story, turning struggle into glory. Children laughing, elders pray, building brighter days today. Faith is stronger than our fear. The future's calling loud and clear. No wall can stop a faithful song. Together we've been strong so long. Let the trumpet proudly sound, healing every broken ground. The fire let the banner be unfurled. Fire keep burning from the islands to the world. One heartbeat, one destiny. The sun will rise beyond the rain. Every loss can bloom again. Strong foundations never break. When love is every step we take. Hear the children laugh once more. Hope is knocking at the door. Every dream begins to grow like a mighty river flow. Above the pain, every season brings new rain. Every seed beneath the ground waits to make a joyful sound. When the morning comes, we'll be standing tall. Through the darkest night, love will conquer all. Hold your brother's hand, never stand alone. Together we are strong, together we are whole. Freedom lives inside the soul. Truth can make the broken whole. Mountains move with faithful hearts. Every ending brings new starts. Blow the trumpet loud and clear. Let the whole wide world now hear. Justice grows where kindness leads. Changing lives through simple deeds. Beat the Nyabinghi drum tonight. Carry every dream to light. Let the bassline shake the ground. Lift every spirit with the sound. Echoes rolling through the breeze. Dancing underneath the trees. Every voice becomes one song, showing where we all belong. When the morning comes, we'll be side by side. Hope will be our shield. Love will be our guide. Raise your hands up high. Let your spirit fly. Peace will never fade as long as hope survives. From the islands to every nation, one love grows through every generation. Keep the fire burning bright till the morning light.
Let every heartbeat move in harmony. Golden light breaks through the sky. Dreams awaken, spirits fly. Every road may twist and bend, still the journey finds its end. Roots grow deep beneath our feet, turning struggle into strength complete. Every voice becomes a flame, every soul can spark the change. Lift your head and breathe again. After every storm comes rain. Faith will guide us through the night, leading every step to light. Rise with the dawn, stand as one, carry the fire, brighter than the sun. Hope in your heart, strength in your soul. Love is the river that makes us whole. Hear the drums across the shore, calling louder than before. Hands united, spirits free, building one humanity. No surrender to the fear. Truth is always drawing near. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Blow the horns across the hills. Freedom lives where love fulfills. Echoes rolling through the breeze, dancing gently with the trees. Bassline moving deep and strong. Every heartbeat joins the song. From the islands to the streets, every hopeful spirit meets. Rise with the dawn, lift your voice. Every soul can make the choice. Walk in peace, stand with pride. Hope and justice, side by side. Rise together, hand in hand. Love will heal every land. Keep the fire burning bright. Walk with courage toward the light. From the islands to the world, let the banner of hope unfurl. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. The fire is alive, from the mountains to the shoreline. Let every soul arise. The winds keep whispering through the trees, carrying hope upon the breeze. Every sunrise paints the sky, reminding dreams they'll never die. Walk with courage, stand up tall, lift another when they fall. Every heartbeat tells the tale, love will always prevail. Hold the faith, don't turn away, brighter comes another day. Every river finds the sea, truth will always set us free. Open
Ba 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 ba. Hear the drum beneath your feet. Island rhythms warm and sweet. Boats are calling through the air, bringing healing everywhere. Every neighbor, every friend. Love is where the journey ends. Build tomorrow hand in hand. Together we will heal the land. No fear can silence what is true. The strength of many starts with you. Keep the fire burning high, like the stars across the sky. Echoes rolling through the night, guiding every soul to light. Every promise, every prayer shows the world that hope is here. Deep bassline grooves beneath echoing trumpet phrases. Nyabinghi on drums fall steadily. Rhythm guitar skanks through warm tape delay. Evergarden swells and spacious snow effects create an amazing guiding atmosphere before the full band returns. Take your heart to the light. Keep believing through the fight. One tomorrow we can see, built with truth and unity. Raise your voice and sing along. Together we are always strong. From the islands to the sea, love will write our history. Let the bassline carry on. Let the horns greet every dawn. Hope is stronger than the storm. Together we'll keep the fire warm. Oh, hear the morning calling. Every heart can rise again. Freedom lives within. Oh, the dawn arrives with golden fire, lifting every dream higher. Yesterday has lost its claim. Tomorrow speaks a brand new name. Every road has left its mark. Still we carry living sparks. Step by step we move ahead, guided by the words we've said. Hold the truth inside your soul. Love will always make us whole. When the darkness fades away, light will greet another day. Checks fall like rain. Hope remains. Hearts unite, shining bright. Lift your voice, make the choice. Stand as one toward the sun. Hear the ocean sing aloud, breaking through the fear and doubt. Every mountain, every stream carries one unbroken dream. Hands together
drum remembers every beat. The bass line keeps our hearts in sync. Every horn becomes a prayer, calling justice everywhere. A spacious dub passage featuring deep melodic bass, echoing skunk guitars and a loud trumpet they rise. How a northern swells, take delayed percussion, and Nyabinghi riddims, creating a ethic yet vibe up piling up its final chains fall like rain. Peace remains, lift each soul, make us whole. Hope will grow like rivers flow. One embrace, every race. Stand together, strong forever. Love will lead every deed. When the fire burns inside, no fear can turn the tide. One heartbeat, one tomorrow, one light for every soul. Rise up, stand firm. The fire never fades. Footsteps echo through the years, built on courage, not on fear. Every mountain, every plain, hope survives through every pain. Ancient rivers know our name, hearts of fire, spirits untamed. Every sunrise calls us near to walk with purpose strong and clear. No chain can bind a faithful soul. Truth will always make us whole. Lift the banner, hold it high, like an eagle in the sky. We are warriors of the rising sun, standing tall until the day is done. Hands together, voices strong, unity will carry on. March with love, defend what's right, keep the everlasting light. Hope will never be undone. We are children of the rising sun. Hear the conch across the sea, calling hearts to liberty.
becomes the shield we raise, lighting up the darkest days.